Hi, welcome back. For today's Shop With Me video, I'm going to show you around these two companies, Urban Southern and Welsh Mtn Co. They are a husband and wife's company located in Narvon, Pennsylvania. From what I understand, Urban Southern focuses more on females products and Welsh Mtn Co. focuses more on men's leather goods. If you are visiting their store and their workshops, they are both at the same location. This was the second time I visited their store. Other than picking up a few products, I also asked the owner Daniel to modify a bag for me. He was very friendly to work with, and if you want to see how this bag turned out, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. There are a few things I love about this company. First of all, their leather sourced within America, and they use quality thick leather. If you love durable full-grain leather, this is the place for you. Other than a few common shaped tote bags that you would see from other companies, they do have many uniquely designed bags. From bags to accessories, they do have quite a full range of products. Unfortunately, not all the products are on their website. So if you see some products you love from my video, you can call the owner Daniel. Maybe you'll be able to order by calling him and have him ship the bag to you. In terms of pricing, I would say they are quite reasonable as made in America products, and they do have great craftsmanship so that you know your bags will last for a long time. And of course, another reason I love them because they are also in Pennsylvania. They are about 50 minutes from me, but at least I can drive to them instead of have to get on an airplane. I guess you could say that may be a bad thing. Because they are not too far from me, I'll be buying more bags from them. Especially they are so easy to work with and willing to do minor customization whenever possible. For example, after talking to Daniel, it's possible to email him to buy a crossbody strap, even though this is not what they are selling on their website. Next, I'm going to show you a little clip of me buying a leather belt from him, and he cut it to the perfect size. I believe this is a full-grain undyed vegetable tan leather. This belt is going to patina beautifully and matching up with my other vegetable tan leather totes. And now, let's hear him explain the customization on the tote I ordered.
So we're going to make this large market tote. We're going to customize it. We're going to make it with the olive green leather. We're going to put an adjustable strap from this end to this end, so make it into a crossbody. And we're going to double up the leather here just to make it a little stiffer at the handle. And we're going to put a magnet right here so you can close it.